What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. I have got an awesome video for you today. I don't know how I came up with this, but actually I do. I was on the way to work today at 4:30 a.m. super cold out, had the heated seat on, and realized, man, this heated seat gets really hot in the morning. I wonder if it could cook an egg. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to see if a heated seat on a 2019 Ram 1500 can in fact cook an egg. Let's see what happens. All right, so we've got our ever so fancy copper pan. I did think about putting the egg directly on the seat, but it's got the perforated leather, so that would not be fun to clean. Let's see what else we need. Well, we definitely don't want our egg to stick to the pan, so we get some spray, a little salt, Himalayan salt, this is the good stuff, and we'll put some pepper on there, you know? Gotta flavor the egg. All right, so we're gonna apply some spray to the pan so our egg doesn't stick. Got our seasonings up here. We're just missing one thing. Oh yeah, we gotta grab the egg. Let's grab the egg. We've got some Happy Egg. These are really good eggs, actually. Take one of these guys. All right, the true test. Can I crack an egg one-handed? Here we go. Ooh, not bad. Got a little on the seat, but not bad. Okay, so I brought the seat up as high as I could, tried to level it out so it's nice and flat because I kind of sit towards the back a little bit. So we got it nice and flat. Let's add some seasoning to the egg. We want to, we want some flavor in that egg. All right, so we're gonna add a little pink Himalayan salt, my favorites, and a little black pepper. Okay. Egg is looking delicious. Let's get the truck started. Turn the heated seat on full blast. Well, we'll turn mine on too because it's cold over here on this side. Now, according to trusty Google searching, it would take 20 minutes at 130 degrees temperature, and I'm pretty sure that that seat does not get to 130 degrees, but let's see if we can get it just to cook it maybe a little bit. I've got some other ideas that I want to test out also, but man, the seat was really hot this morning. I had to even turn it down because I was wearing sweatpants and I could feel the heat, and it was way too much even through my sweatpants. So let's see if it can do anything to this egg. What better to do when you're waiting for your egg to cook on your heated seat than drink a Bang? Just can't believe they haven't sponsored us yet. All I do is drink Bang. That one here. Got the new Froze Rosé here that I just drank earlier. Got some of a case left over in the back. All I do is drink Bang. It's out of control. All right, so we're about a minute in and the seats are just now warming up. I probably should have started the truck earlier to get the heat going already, but it took about a minute to get them pretty hot. So we'll give it about another minute here and see if it starts doing anything to our egg, but so far, we have failed. Miserably. Dang it, I'm hungry now. All right, we have moved the egg to the middle of the seat because it doesn't look like, but it feels like the middle is a little bit warmer where the pan is now. I don't know. Cook, egg, I'm hungry, come on. So hungry. All right, so I'm curious on how hot the seat gets. See if we can find the warmest point. I know it's already cooled down a little bit. That's it? This will never cook the egg. All right, so after about 10 minutes in, I gave up. I'm too impatient. I had to bring it over to the stove to cook it. Look, it's already starting to cook after like 30 seconds. Cupcake, what do you think? What is this big hole? What is this? So we're actually getting a new washer today. So there's a new dishwasher. So there's a big hole in the kitchen. What are you dancing around for? What are you dancing around for? What are you dancing around for? You don't like the camera? You don't like the camera? Get him. Get him. You want an egg? You can eat this egg now. I don't want it anymore. How do you feel about that? All right, so like I said, I failed. I really thought this morning, I was like, man, this seat gets really hot, but it was probably because it was 4:30 a.m. It was really cold out, and I was probably sitting on it for a long time. So it felt really hot, though. It felt hotter than 74 degrees. The temp, it didn't show. It got up to like 72, but I had done it right before I turned the camera on. It got to 74. I would guarantee, I'm sure you can look this up and it'll say it somewhere in the manufacturer's stuff, but I bet it gets to like 80 degrees on the seat. It gets pretty hot. There's 3 different levels, and you definitely turn it down sometimes because it gets really hot. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm sorry I failed you, but your egg will not cook on your heated seat. However, I've got another idea that I want to test on the heated seats because I think they can do something else, but a raw egg from scratch is not gonna cook like it does on the stove because the minimum was 130 degrees for 20 minutes. So, and that would still take 20 minutes, and we were only getting up to like 74 degrees. So, definitely not gonna work. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so stupid sometimes. I thought it was gonna work, but it didn't. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, VanV39. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, if you stuck around to the end of this video, just want to do a couple announcements. This Friday, March 1st at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, we are releasing some new Contagion Athletics gear. Remember, this is not our YouTube merchandise, so-called. This is actually a clothing brand that we had before YouTube and before our gym, actually. So Friday, March 1st, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're releasing a bunch of cool new CA gear. So if you follow us on Facebook or Instagram, you will have seen that we have released a shirt or hoodie every day this week up until Friday of the new gear coming out. So that's to look forward to. Also, if you don't know, some people don't know this, but I go live every Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I try and do that so that people can schedule so that they can make sure they get on the live chat, because if you just do random live chats, not everyone can get on them, and I just want to make it fair to everyone. So I said if I set a specific date and time, or a specific day in the week and time, then people can actually jump on it. My dog is barking at me at the background. So every Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We may change that eventually, but that's what's kind of working for now, and that's how we're going to keep it, just to see if we can get some traction on the live chats. My dog is still barking at me. So 8:30 p.m. Wednesday. Also, I will be giving away some posters that I made a while back. My dog is still barking at me. I don't know why. She wants to come inside. Hold on. Come on, fool. I made some posters a while back that we were selling on vanforcegarage.com, which I just actually shut that website down, and we'll start that again some other time. But we just don't have a lot of time to put into it with our regular jobs and with doing YouTube on the side. So I'm deciding to give away a few posters on the live chat tomorrow. Let me show you a few here. Okay, so I'm most likely going to give away 3 posters. One being the Demon, one being the Charger, and either the Trackhawk or the Sneaky Cat. So the old school Sneaky Cat picture. I'll probably do the Sneaky Cat picture, not the Trackhawk. So we'll do 3. We'll do 1 Sneaky Cat, 1 Demon, and one of the, where'd the Charger go? I just missed it. Not that one. Not that one. I don't know where it went. There's a front picture of the Charger. I just showed you guys. And now I can't find it. That's the rear one. That's the rear one. That one right there. That one's probably one of my favorites. So I'm going to be giving away 3 of those on the live chat. Okay guys, so those are the 3 posters that I'll be giving away tomorrow on the live chat. Remember, Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you can't make this one, there will be other ones, and I try and do a giveaway every, I don't know, third or fourth live chat. So we'll give away 1 demon poster, 1 charger poster, and 1 sneaky cat poster. We'll see you guys on the live chat.